real numbers, second chapter real numbers. In that, natural numbers, whole numbers, integer numbers, set of rational numbers, set of real numbers, then order relation, non-rational numbers. Similarly, decimal form of any rational number is either terminating or non-terminating type. Non-terminating type. To express the recurring decimal in P upon Q form. In that, the first example, solve the first example. Then second example I have not taken, but in practice set first, second I have taken. To how to solve the recurring decimal of three numbers. See here, three numbers, decimal recurring of three numbers. Example 2. Express the recurring decimal recurring decimal 7.529529 dash is equal to in P upon Q form. Let x is equal to 7.529529 dash is equal to 7.529 recurring. Then recurring numbers are 3, group of 3. When recurring numbers are 3, then multiply this equation by 1000. So 1000x. If two numbers, then multiply by 10. If one number, multiply by 10. Then take this group to the left side, 7 as it is, and write 529 after that, and 529 recurring is equal to 7529.529 recurring. This is 1. This is 2. Then 1000x minus x is equal to 7529.529 recurring minus 7.529 recurring. Subtracting 1 from 2. And here write multiplying by 1000. Then 1000x minus x is 999x. This subtraction is 9 minus 7 is 2. 529 recurring minus 529 recurring 0. 9 minus 7 2. 2 as it is. This 5 as it is. And this 7 as it is. And therefore x is equal to 7522 upon 999. Yes, therefore 7.529 recurring is equal to 7522 upon 999. This type of example you have in practice set 5th 2.514 recurring. Then represent the numbers root 2 and root 3. Next part is represent the numbers root 2 and root 3 on a number line. So how to show these irrational numbers on number line? So draw the line, horizontal line first. Then take point here, it is O. Then after this, take particular distance. Here I am taking 4 centimeter. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So this is 4 centimeter, and name this point is A. Here 4 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. 4 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Then with the help of protractor, draw the angle, take the angle 90, putting on point A. Draw the ray. So take the distance, whatever the OA is in compass, whatever the distance OA, take that distance in compass and put point on A and draw the arc. Suppose this point is B. This point is B. This is also 1 unit. This is also 1 unit. This is the right angle. Join the point OB. Join the point OB. In triangle OAB, angle A is 90 degree. OB is hypotenuse. Use Pythagoras theorem. OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square by Pythagoras theorem. Then OA is 1 square, AB is also 1 square, 1 plus 1, this is 2. And taking the square root of both sides, AB is equal to, OB is equal to root 2. OB is equal to, this distance is root 2. So we want this root 2 on number line. So put point on O, take distance OB in compass and draw the arc. Suppose this point is C. Point C denotes root 2. We want root 3 again. Again, put point on, put protractor on C. They take measure 90 degree. Draw the ray. Then whatever the distance AB is, take in compass, put point on C, arc the distance, this point is D. Join OD. Then this distance is 1. This in triangle OCD, angle C is 90 degree. OD is hypotenuse. OD square is equal to this OC.